Oh, the latest exciting thing's the improved, isn't it?
No, come through. There we go. Unsteam your windows before driving as well.
When you come pick me up tomorrow, we'll go out for our
Oh my god, man.
what is wrong with people?
I don't know, it's school time! Yay! This is how you do it. Look, there's a blockage. You let the car through because he's already like in the middle of the road, yeah? And there's another car. Oh dear, what a shame. You just have to wait longer. Oh no, it's clear. And then you go. You can just like ram yourself out into a... Oh, it's a fucking idiot, man. Uh-oh, you did goofed. Why can't people just use their eyes? Why can't people just look with their eyeballs? Isn't that what, like, the good Lord give you fucking eyes for? Christ be with you.
Did you get it on camera? Snapchat it.
No. Get back in the space.
What's he doing?
Just fucking pull out, you nutter.
He's trying to like hurt
I don't know
me.
what he's doing, Alexei.
Or he can't quite fit in it.
I don't know.
Oh dear.
You're smart, aren't you? You're real smart. What a dickhead. Oh, I feel bad now because it's a little lady. I can't do that. That's nasty, Alexei. That's nasty, Alexei.
Right, okay. I understand that they're old, okay? But
Look,
if you...
she thought about it, she looked the other way, then she looked at me and then went. You can't see that on there, so whatever, but she pulled out knowing that I was there. Don't fucking do that.
Yeah, that's what I mean. Why would you do that?
Because she's an old lady, I feel bad now.
I know, but... Isn't there like a certain age limit where they should redo their tests at a certain age when they're older?
I would like that.
I think when they get to like 70, yeah, I think they should redo their driving test to make sure they're safe on the road.
Yeah, I like that idea.
Well, they should.
I said that before. Do you want to get back on your own side of the road? Was it because there was no white line? I think that might have been it. Some people, the white line disappears and they just don't know what to do. They just think, okay, well, the best thing to do is to drive straight down the fucking middle of the road. Cyclists have fucking cycle lanes, but they ride on the path. Could anybody please help me here? There's just something I'm missing, and they're not meant to use their cycle lanes. Yo, dickhead! I must be doing something wrong. There must be something wrong with me. Oh, okay, never mind. He's on it now. Fucking weird, isn't it? Put your belt back on. We have not finished driving yet.
We're in a car
Put your belt back on. I'm going to stop then.
Okay,
Put it back, no, put it back on.
I get out.
Put your fucking belt on. We're driving, Alexei. Jesus Christ, that's it. Get out.
I hit it well then. Why is she got no indicator or something?
No, don't whinge her. Don't whinge her. That was good. That was actually a good driver. Ooh, back in like the old days when they used to like pedal with their feet, yeah? They didn't have electric, did they? And
yeah, I know you used to use your hands and go turn left and right, yeah.
Ah, there we go. Now her indicator was fucked. So she stuck her arm out the window to let everyone know which way she wanted to go.
What if she was going left?
Then you do something else. You flap it around or do a circle or something. Or do what a normal person does and keep spare bulbs in your car.
Yeah.
Good driver.
No, we ain't gonna have time, not all the way I'm gonna drive. It takes you 40 minutes from here to get to home. What's it gonna take me? Yeah?
Do you know what, just for the fun of it, in case I caught it on the rear cam, check the rear cam, Benji, please. It's the little Porsche behind. We're going to give him, we're going to thumbs up to that man. Because I know indicate to change lanes. I didn't plan on changing lanes until he was out, like gone. No. And he let me out anyway. I'm going to say thank you to him, because that doesn't happen very often. You with me or not?
Yeah.
Cool. He knew I wanted to change lane even though I didn't indicate.
Yeah.
I was going to wait for him to pass and then I was going to sneak in behind him. But he stayed in for me. Question time, Alexi!
Yeah.
What would you do with this car behind?
What do you mean, what would I do?
What would you do? Would you speed up or would you slow down?
I'll slow down,
would
it's
you
a bit close.
Pull over to get out of the way of it?
Well, pull over to get out of the way. I would slow down.
Yes, okay. Why would you slow down?
Because it's like quite very, very close. You ain't got that 1 or 2 second gap behind.
Aha. So how would you slow down? Would you go on the brakes or would you just gently off the accelerator and slow down?
Gently off the accelerator and slow down because we're going uphill then.
You good driver.
She's like very, very close, isn't she?
Yeah, well this is a school zone now, so we're going to go slow and just be extra safe, right? We don't want to be having to slam on our brakes when a child jumps out in front of us, yeah, because she goes to the back of us. So if we slow down, we are extra safe, yeah?
Well, you should be only going 20 anyway.
I'm going 15.
That's what I mean.
Being extra safe. She gone. They seem to be everywhere today, don't they? I'm struggling for words to describe these fucking nutters. I remember I said it like a few videos ago. I said, Bristol police, give me like 15% of the fines. Yeah, if you fine people for like what? Fine people for using their phone when driving, and give me 15%. Yeah, that's a good deal. That's a good deal. I make you money, and I make money myself. So you know, there's no downside to that, is there? Hire me, Bristol police. Hire me, please. No, I can't get through there. Don't be stupid. Why would you do that? Alexi, are people actually thick or something?
Air Force is downstairs in the living room.
Is he texting behind or is he eating something?
He's texting.
Oh, I think so.
Anyway, what I was saying.
You love me very, very much.
I do love you very, very much.
Okay.
You're my man. My one and only. My one and only true love.
USB.
Conditioner on.
No. USB.
Auxiliary plug.
That's better. Uh-oh. There's some proper intelligence there, isn't there?
I don't know if they're friends or not, though.
No, they're not. He was going mental.
I think, no, but they're both smiling and laughing about it.
I would as well if someone started beeping and flapping at me.
Well, they must know each other then.
They were both knobheads. He shouldn't have been there, and he shouldn't have come across.
Yeah, but
no, he shouldn't have been there, he shouldn't have come across.
No, the driver shouldn't have come out because there was no space for him to go, yeah?
Yeah, and he shouldn't have been there to start with.
Yeah, but it's in between two clear boxes, he is. There's no like little box. So
Alright,
you can't go in there.
let's think about it, right?
I know it's kind of stupid because we had this discussion before. Yeah, but then they need a like a little box then, don't they? Say all that whole thing should be keep clear.
Well, to any normal person, it isn't a keep clear. The whole thing should be kept keep clear.
But it's not. Only one section is, and another section is in the middle of the eight.
Because in a perfect world, it would be needed. Yeah, you don't have a keep clear box there by that entrance, do you? To that driveway. You don't have one there by the entrance to that driveway. Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's look to the left now. Right? Do you have a keep clear box to get into that driveway?
No.
It should be kept clear because that's just common sense. That's what you do. You don't block someone's driveway. Right? If there's a queue truck, like if this road was completely blocked with cars on our side, yeah.
Yeah.
And I stopped just here, just here, and blocked that driveway to that van, yeah.
Yeah.
If he wants to get in his driveway, he can. See what I mean? If he was coming up this side of the road, he couldn't get in his driveway because I've blocked it. Then he's going to block the road up.
Yeah.
Keep driveways clear. It's just common sense. You don't stop in the middle of two traffic lights. It's not normal.
If it was already green, he was there, he was avoiding the keep clear box in front, and then
No, you
all of a
should
sudden it goes red, then what?
You don't stop there. You stay behind the red line or the first traffic light until you come past the second one.
But to be fair, they should make it clear then really, shouldn't they?
No, there's no need to make it clear. If you're thick as shit, you would stop in the middle. If you have any sense whatsoever, you would stop behind the red line. The red line, white line with the red light dot.
Yeah, I know what you mean.
Okay?
Right, exciting things. What have we done lately that's exciting? Well, the latest exciting thing's named birthday, isn't it?
Fuck, man! Fucking dickhead!
What is... Oh, God.
Just fucking tried launching himself in front of me, like fucking looking, the silly cunt. I'm over it.
Okay.
I should have fucking killed him.